Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to add USDT to Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to add USDT to your Trust Wallet account, first of all you have to do is install CoinMarketCap app on your mobile phone. So go ahead and install that application if you have not installed the application. But if you have already installed the application, then go ahead and tap on the application named CoinMarketCap, open up it, and then tap on create an account, which is in the blue box. Will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on your email address and password in their respective columns if you want to do that, but you can even continue with Google or continue with your Apple ID. But for now I'm gonna go with tap on email address or password. So go ahead and tap on email address or password if you want to do that. Now go ahead and tap on login, which is inside the blue box. Now you are successfully logged in into the account, and now go ahead and click on market, which is in the bottom left corner. Now tap on USDT, which is in the third option. Click on there. Now we can scroll all the way down and then tap on contracts. Now you can copy any of the options available here. For now I'm gonna go with Tomo chain, which is in the second option. So go ahead and tap on copy option, which is beside Tomo chain. So the contract address is copied, and then you can now open Trust Wallet and then paste it. So go ahead and open Trust Wallet application. Now go ahead and enter your passcode. Now you have been logged into your Trust Wallet account. Click on that little logo which is in the top right corner. Now paste the link which we just copied inside the search box. Now check on the box of USDT just like this, and then you're done. Tap on done. That's it. This is how you can easily add USDT in our Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.